Hey guys, welcome back to another review of the all-new Dacia Duster. The new Duster gets Dacia's new design language, which includes the futuristic-looking logo and squared front end, which makes it look bold and capable. The black claddings down the side make the car look more rugged. It rivals small cheap SUVs such as the Seat Ateca, Skoda Karoq and Suzuki S-Cross. From the back, the car looks futuristic with the creases and low roofline. The new Duster comes in 4 different trim options. The entry-level version is the Essential trim, which starts at £18,745. The car gets air conditioning, rear parking sensors and speakers with USB connection, as the car does not have an infotainment system. The next trim is the Expression, which has 17-inch alloy wheels, a rear parking camera and a 10-inch multimedia system. The Expression cost £21,000. The Journey trim starts from £23,000 and gets 18-inch alloy wheels, a touchscreen and a multi-view camera. The high-spec trim is Extreme, which costs £24,000. It gets synthetic seats and heated seats. The Duster gets a 10-inch touchscreen on the Expression trim, which is responsive and clear. The 7-inch driver's display is adequate. Being a Dacia, there are many decent-sized cup holders and cubbies to store your items. The car also has premium features like wireless chargers to charge your phone. As expected, the materials used feel plasticky, but thankfully Dacia had made the interior look interesting and modern. For the hybrid variant, the boot capacity is a rather dissatisfying 430 litres. But for the normal non-hybrid variant, the boot capacity increases to 517 litres, which is more than adequate. On the bright side, the boot contains many nets and a 12-volt socket. It also has an adjustable boot floor, which is great. The Duster gets a 1-litre bi-fuel engine, which is good if you are after economy. The next engine you can get is the 1.2-litre. But if you are after a more powerful engine, you should pick the 1.6-litre hybrid. The Duster can achieve 56.5 miles per gallon or 5-litre per 100 kilometers, which is better than its predecessor. The all-new Dacia Duster is a better car than ever before due to its bold exterior style and modern-looking interior with interesting materials. The rear seats are adequate for adults, and there are many storage dotted around the cabin. The car is more refined while driving at higher speeds and feels like a posh SUV. Hope you enjoyed the review of the new Dacia Duster.